Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the rest works. Make sure the Google app and device OS are updated and that you're signed into the correct Google account. This prevents confusing account-specific settings. Once done, check Do Not Disturb, Battery Saver, and background data. These commonly block alerts. Next, enable App Sync so notifications can arrive. If any of those fail, pause and resolve them now, because the detailed fixes won't take effect until these basics are correct. You'll now adjust detailed app and system settings to restore alerts. On Android, open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google right arrow Notifications. Enable each category and set importance to high for critical alerts. Then go to Battery Optimization and exclude Google so background activity is allowed. On iOS, open Settings right arrow Notifications, right arrow Google, allow notifications, and set Show Previews to always if you need banners. Once configured, force close and reopen the app to apply changes and trigger a fresh sync of notification channels. Finish by clearing cache and data or reinstalling the Google app to remove corrupt state. This often resolves stubborn problems. After reinstall, sign back in and test notifications by sending yourself a sample alert or using a built-in notification test. If issues persist, remove and re-add your Google account. Make sure to back up app data and settings before doing that. Troubleshooting tip: if notifications still fail, check a secondary device. This isolates device versus account problems and directs your next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.